Hello there, what's up? In this video I want to show how we can add subtitles to our videos in a very quick and simple way. So be with me. Okay, to get started, by double click here on project panel, I import my video. Then I add it to the timeline. Click on file and select new captions. And choose open caption. Now by dragging, I add captions above my video clip and then adjust its duration as long as the video. By click on it, caption panel will appear, so you can edit your text and adjust its time. You can write everything you want. Also here, you can define when your text starts to appear and when it's supposed to disappear. By click on this icon, you can adjust border opacity. Each caption you add will be represented by one black bar, and you can add as much caption as you want, and adjust them one by one. Even you can adjust their position just like this. When you have done, you can save it in two ways. Go to export your video, and if you select caption tab, you will see caption exports. If you want your subtitle permanently burned into your video, or you can save it as an external file.